In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags in draw.io for Confluence. Tags are a simple way to organize shapes in your diagram so you can search, filter, and quickly understand what's what at a glance. Whether you're labeling servers, workflows, or roles, tags keep your content consistent and easier to manage across a Confluence space. First, get set up by opening a new page in Confluence where you'll work with your diagram. If you already have a draw.io diagram on the page, open it so the editor is visible. Everything we're about to do happens inside the draw.io editor. Let's start with the quickest option, using the tags dialog. In the editor, open the view menu and choose tags. You can also press Ctrl+K on Windows or Cmd+K on a Mac. Select the shape you want to tag, then type your tag or tags directly in the tags dialog. Separate multiple tags with commas. For example, you might type network, device, server. Keep your wording short and consistent so you can reuse tags across diagrams. To tag several shapes at once, select multiple shapes by holding Ctrl or CMD as you click, or drag a selection box around them. Then use the tags dialog to apply the same tag. If the dialog shows a list, simply check the box next to the tag you want to assign to the current selection. This method is great for fast, bulk tagging and for maintaining a common tag vocabulary. If you prefer storing tags as part of the shape's data, use the Edit Data dialog. Right-click the shape and choose Edit Data, or press Ctrl+M on Windows or Cmd+M on a Mac. Add a new property and name it Tags. In the value field, enter your tags separated by spaces. For instance, Network Device Server. Click Apply to save your changes. If tooltips are enabled in the editor, you'll see those tags when you hover over the shape, which makes them easy to review without opening a panel. Note that this method uses spaces between tags, while the tags dialog uses commas, so be consistent within each method to avoid confusion. Use the tags dialog when you want speed and multi-select control, and use edit data when you want tags baked into the shape's metadata and visible via tooltips. You can mix both approaches in the same diagram if that suits your workflow. As you work, keep tag names clear and standardized, and remember to save your diagram in Confluence so your changes are preserved. That's it. You now know 2 reliable ways to add tags in draw.io for Confluence, helping you organize complex diagrams with ease.